Ayan. Nahuli ako. Ayun, hi guys. So, first time kong gagawa nung reaction video. Actually, first time ko to nakakausap ako na nakatingin lang sa camera. Ang weird pala ng feeling, Pero, parang gano'n din kasi normally, sa salamin ako, kausap ko yung sarili ko bilang ako lang mag-isa dito. So, nag-decide ako mag-try gumawa ng reaction video dun sa, sa Lou and Andre grilling session sa PBB Tapatan kasi bored ako. Mag-isa lang ako. Ano ngayon? Friday. Alas 10 ng gabi dito sa Auckland. So, parang bilang wala akong kausap, napanood ko na lahat ng K-dramas. Tingnan nyo guys. Nanonood ako ng yan. Mom's Diary. Kasi ugali ko yung kahit nanonood ako ng kahit naka-on yung TV ko, nagbo-browse ako sa laptop ko kaya sa cellphone ko. Tapos nakita ko tong yung grilling session with sa bahay ni Kuya. Gusto ko siyang gawin kasi first time ever ko ulit na na hook sa PBB. So, kasi the past few days, parang madalas ako nag-check ng YouTube. Yung mga trending topics. Tapos nakita ko yung clip. May isang clip ako na, na nakakatuwa dun sa parang kilig moments. May kasi ako sa mga nakakakilig. So, naaliw ako. So, ginawa ko, nabitin na ako sa mga 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes. Hinalap ko na yung yung mga recap videos ng PBB. Sa camera ko tumitingin, hindi sa lens. Na-realize ko lang ngayon. So, tumingin ako sa nanonood ako ng recap videos. Ayun, nakita ko na meron pala. So, nag-start akong kiligin. Hanggang sa, yun, sabi ng kapatid ko, na ate, try mo panoorin yung, yung Tapatan. Kasi, di ba parang, naging issue sa bahay ni Kuya yung, yung kissing scene ni Andre, tsaka ni Lou. Actually, hindi ko pa, napanood ko yung short clip na yun, pero hindi yung entire thing. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko mahalap yun. Tinanggal yata nila. Pero for now, papanoorin ko tong itong mainit na tanong laban kay Andre, Day 77, PBB 8. Tingnan natin.
This is a necklace my mother gave to me when I was around 12 years old. And she told me, wear it when you feel responsible and you know you won't lose it. So I kept it in the treasure chest and hid it. Never used it until just in the beginning of 20 years old when I was going to Japan. And I wore this necklace in Japan every day to remind me of my mother.
Ang winner nung katawan ni Andre. Ganda ng build niya.
Are you ready?
I'm ready for Kuya.
Andre, you've met every single person in Lou's family, right?
In
Lou's family.
Yes, I have.
Her mom, her dad, her 2 sisters. My question for you, what are their full names? Like all of the family members who you've met.
Trying to recall the names means... Okay, I'll be genuinely honest. I am bad with names. And I'm not going to try to attempt this one because I know that I'm not confident with my memory of everybody's names.
No, you've met the person, you've talked to the person, you've made a connection. They know your name's Andre. You just disregard that. And it's disrespectful. Even to the person who apparently you have feelings for.
Andre, why
bad
do you
din ako sa name.
sugarcoat what you say so much that it confuses the others, leads them to misinterpretation, and tends to make them suffer and go through depression, just like me, who misunderstood your statement that just know that is mutual understanding.
I do not mean it in a way to make that person sad or confused.
Parang
In regards to
nandidilat
me
yung
and you,
mata ni
I did
Abby.
make it a point that we have to make the right decision. She mentioned to me that she loves her boyfriend. She's been in a relationship with him for 3
Yeah,
years.
but no, wait, listen. Prior to that, you confused us and kind of led her on and made her think you liked her. No, you confused us. You cannot deny that about yourself. You confused us by the manner of your speech. And it had dire consequences for Abby.
Sometimes a certain topic.
Una, bakit sinabi ni Joaquin na you confuse us and kind of led her into something blah blah blah. Hindi ko lang alam kung hindi ko siya napanood ha, kasi may mga episodes na hindi ko nakita dun sa sa mga recap videos ni PBB. Pero parang wala akong nakitang ganun na sinabi ni Andre yon in front of the housemates. Yan yung mali sa atin no? Siguro na kwento ni Abby sa mga housemates yon. Tapos ito naman si Joaquin. Medyo mali naman yung pag-rebat niya dito or way of questioning niya kay Andre kasi nagtataas na siya ng boses na parang na to bintangan na to, 'di ba? Tapos si naman, itong si bakla, si Lou naman, napanood ko yung episode na yon na they talk about the mutual understanding and then sabi ni Andre na the best thing to do or the right thing to do is to remain faithful. So, hindi ko alam kung saan nanggagaling to si ate. Siguro nung hindi alak yung tinitira nito nung umiinom sila, expectorant kaya ang dami. Nakakaloka. Dapat ang sinabi ni Andre dito, girl, never expect, never assume, never ask, never demand, just let it be. Hindi, kasi diba, parang wala naman parang dahil lang ba dun yun sa pool party, yun na yun, parang biglang na yung feelings mo. Weird.
Life in here is totally different than the outside. You gotta, it's different here. So I don't mean to make anybody depressed by the things I say by sugarcoating. It's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to be a genuine person and be honest. But at the same time, life in here is different. If I made you depressed in any
facial
way,
expression ni Joaquin,
honestly, from the bottom of my heart, apologetic, I am sorry. I did not mean to make you depressed.
Do you remember the night when you told Tori that I restricted you from telling Lou that you like her?
Whenever it came to any sort of flirting contact or anything like that, the look that you would give, I see you, the jealousy look, it did
napanood ko
make me
yan.
double think about everything I've done. The
And
looks
then you're
that you
telling
give.
Tori
Ano ba
that I
to?
put you in a box.
Laging nakadilat yung mata
But
ni
we
Bakla.
both know that I distanced myself from you. They all know, all the housemates know that I distanced myself from you. Then you're telling Tori and dragging my name down?
Why did you ignore me for
patay
the past
tayo
2
dyan.
days? After me and Lou, after the party we had, me and Lou
Because
were just having fun.
I knew that Lou likes you, and I
Okay.
want both of you to be happy. But
Okay.
what are you telling Tori that I put you in a box?
But then why would you
Because
get
I
the table
felt
angry?
jealous?
Why would you get angry and walk out, storm out when me and Lou
Makes
were
sense.
just
Ba't
having
ka
a
I
magagalit?
never did that.
Everybody told me that.
I
And then
didn't.
that makes me feel like I'm in a box, that I can't act anything openly. We all know it's the truth.
Si Abby, hindi niya na-control yung emotion niya dito. Ang laki ng mukha ko. Hindi niya na-control yung emotions niya dito, no? So, bukod sa tirik na tirik yung mata niya, dilat na dilat yung mata niya, crackly yung voice niya, na parang, ano bang pinaglalaban niya dito? Ano bang kinakagalit niya dito? Na, necessary ba? Hindi ko maintindihan pero, alam mo, kung ano man yung, feeling ko kasi ito si bakla, nag-assume to ng bonggang-bongga. So, ngayon, the fact na ganyan yung reaction niya, ng the way she asked Andre, affected pa din siya. So, may fault siya doon. Alam mong may boyfriend ka, hindi mo ginard yung sarili mo, yung heart mo, pinalaki mo, tagal niyan, wala na siya dito sa bahay, di ba? So, the fact na medyo pinatagal niya at affected pa din siya, ibig sabihin, binaby niya yung feelings niya kay Andre. So, kaya siya, lumaki siya. Dapat pinakawalan niya na yun. That dead man na siya doon.
What's the real relationship between you and Lou? I genuinely like Lou as a person. She is very special. And care about her, meeting her family. I know she has good upbringing, good morals. That was the real status. As of right now, the status of me and Lou is mutual understanding. Pero kasi we're waiting on the question for labas.
So you're not yet couple?
We're not yet a couple, no.
Mutual understanding, the same thing you told Abby, right?
See, I don't. That's total different. It's a huge different thing.
Huge difference. You told Abby mutual understanding.
By me, I don't 100% recall saying that. I guess it was a night that we were drunk.
Akala ko ba smart to si Joaquin? Bakit bakit niya ini-impose yung about the mutual understanding, about the Abby thing? Diba, dapat bago ka magbato ng question, dapat yung mga ginather mo information based on facts. Kasi hindi lang sa third party na dahil sinabi ni ganito, 'di ba? Parang hindi ko naiintindihan yung sense na yun na parang sila nag-aano sila, parang the way they ask Andre, parang nandun din sila sa scene when it happened, when he said that. Parang unfair lang din kay Andre, especially Joaquin, kung magalit siya, parang he's making this unbelievable expressions na parang really, parang nanghahamon. Inglesero lang siya, pero nanghahamon siya ng laban. Na parang, talaga. Diba yung facial expression? Yun yung mga yun yung mga masarap sa pakay.
Sinabi mo yan kay Abby, and sinabi mo yan ngayon.
I honestly, telling Abby mutual understanding is a bit of a surprise to me. I don't recall it, to be honest.
He doesn't remember daw telling Abby.
I'm assuming that you guys have seen. So it's something that I can't deny.
So hindi mo rin maalala yung
I do remember kissing Lou.
You do remember?
You remember?
Yes, of course I remember kissing Lou. I don't remember the whole night. I do remember that me and Lou did kiss, but the extent of the kissing is what I don't remember.
Is that what we call selective memory?
Selective memory. I know I did kiss Lou.
Question is, so with all the stuff with Lou and all the not remembering things, are you just using Lou to stay inside the house?
Wow, mabigat na paratang. Yan.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng pagharap ni Andre sa mga ex-housemates at house challengers,
My next question is, so with all the stuff with Lou and all the not remembering things, are you just using Lou to stay inside the house?
Absolutely not.
Ganda
No
ng
matter
mata
what
ni
you guys
Andre.
say in that sense, that is not how it is. I care with Lou 100% honestly. And the feelings I have for Lou are genuine. So no matter what you guys say in that sense, it's not true.
You're not couple yet, right?
Okay? I'm
Okay.
waiting because I care.
But you're doing something big.
Right.
A couple thing.
I realize that now. We need
No.
to take a step back.
Where's the respect there?
Me and Lou, we like each other a lot. Making the limit to things is a difficulty. I admit that, yeah.
To the point of offending the other housemates when you put your
Offending.
faces up together. When you kiss Lou and it clearly you remember that.
Bro, we had tequila in our blood. When me and Lou are on a flamingo looking at each other in the eyes and we both really like each other and we have tequila in our blood, of course, lips are gonna come together. I failed in how much I drank, my judgment of how much I drank. I am responsible for everything I do.
Even before you were drunk? Even after. Even when you weren't drunk. You keep
even
doing
after
it.
you weren't drunk.
That's true. I have failed to make my limits with Lou.
You failed. You failed so many times. You
Yeah.
failed to realize you failed now with making the distance. You failed so many times. How can you say you're still deserving?
I'm here fighting for a dream, and to dream big. So that's what me moving out here to the Philippines is. That's what I want to show to the Philippines.
If you had to pick between your relationship with, you can only have one. Relationship with Lou or being the big winner, which would you pick?
Maganda si Tori.
You can only
These
pick
questions
one
are amazing.
from Kim.
Button's right there.
You can only pick
Hindi ko
one.
na
Say my
narinig yung
relationship with Lou, like
boses
if
ni
I
Mary
choose the other
Grace.
than me and Lou's
You can't have the other one. Yeah.
Si Mitch hindi din nagtanong.
One of the reasons why I'm here,
So you pick being the big winner
fight to the very end.
over your relationship with Lou.
And I would want her to pick the same. See, I would want her to make the same decision. Because I wouldn't want her to give me the big winner because
Ang smart
of our
din ni
relationship.
Andre.
She didn't know me before coming here. Her reasons for coming here. I want her to follow that. So I put myself in the other person's shoes. I would want them to
He's a
make the
good
same
guy.
decision.
He's a good guy. Such a good guy.
Tapos na ang pagtatanong.
These are amazing accusations. Gosh. I still love you guys. Every one of you. I do. I know that this is just as hard for them to say to me. It's not easy for them, even though it may seem like they're all against me. I know deep down that, I love them with all my heart. I was able to take it in a way where I can learn from this. I knew deep down I wasn't angry at them. Thank you.
Grabe, no? Grabe lang yung ano. Pero, ang pinaka-feeling kong naging, highlight lang nun, yung medyo crackly voice ni baklang Abby, na parang, I know, feeling ko kasi, kaya siya ganun, ka-affected na din, kasi baka nabash siya paglabas niya ng bahay. Kasi, diba, dapat the more na nag-behave siya, no? Feeling ko lang dapat ganun yung ginawa. Hindi yung ipipilit niya. Kasi parang feeling ko ginagawa niya, she's trying to cover up yung pag-a-assume niya eh. Pero, syempre, si Andre, hindi naman papayag na, in fairness, with all due respect with Andre, ang galing niya din kasi, so, nilatag niya yung reason niya kung bakit niya sinabi na parang, pangalan to si Abby. Sinabi na, she's putting him in a box kasi nga, hindi siya makagalaw, hindi siya makagawa na parang, napanood ko yung scene na yun na, lagi nakatingin si Abby doon, pagka sweet na yung dalawa. Tapos magselo siya, tapos mayroon pa yung pumunta sila sa bedroom, diba? Parang lang. Siyempre, yung mga yan, normal lang yan normal lang na may ganyan. Basta tayo mga magkakaibigan, minsan may nasasabi tayo na parang pag may inis tayo sa friend natin, sabihin natin sa isa nating friend. Parang, pero kasi dapat kinonfirm. Ito naman itong mga housemates na to, dapat kinonfirm. Parang I remember watching yung sinabi ni Andre kay Joaquin. Hindi ko talaga maintindihan bakit pinupush ni Joaquin na sinasabi ni Andre yung about kay Abby. Kasi yung mga napanood ko, parang si Andre, nagsabi siya kay Joaquin na bet niya nga to si Lou. Tapos, kung meron pa yung silang dalawa sa bedroom na sinabi na pagka, sino yung girl, parang kung sino yung pipiliin mong girl, parang ganon, dito sa bahay. Kasi sino yung sinabi niya, diba? Kaya, ayun, nakakasad na ganun yung Pero, saludo ko kay Andre kasi, niya talaga, he slayed. Lahat ng questions na binato sa kanya, bang! Wagas. Ayun, so lipat naman tayo kay Lou.